Change your money. When you change your mind, you change your money. For the next 90 days, okay? For the next 90 days, I want you guys to take your life as a journey. Understand, it ain't a marathon, truly. It ain't a sprint. It's really a journey. Your life is a journey. Your life is full of experiences. And once you learn how to grow through what you go through, you begin to emerge upon a new life. So many people are talking victims. We're so busy walking around feeling victimized, okay? We're victimized because of how we grew up. You know, our mama didn't do something or our daddy didn't do something. So we grow up with this victim mentality. And when you have this victim mentality, right, you cannot think clearly. And when you cannot think clearly, it is confusion. And you no longer take responsibility for your life because you think that I have to be like this because my mama was like this. Or I have to be like this because my daddy was like this. And I'm telling you right now, you do not have to be a product of your environment. You don't. But remember, write this down. You were born looking like your parents, but you will ultimately die looking like your choices, okay? Every choice you make in life will shape your life. And I'm here to tell you this. I don't care what you did up until today, okay? I don't care what you did up until today. You could draw a line in the sand, shh, shh, and you could say that today is a new day. I am not a victim. I am where I am supposed to be based upon my knowledge. Listen, guys, you are where you are right now because of what you know. And one thing I've...
Good morning. Happy New Year. It's 2022. And I want to introduce myself. My name is Kamika. And this is going to be a vlog of my daily life as an entrepreneur. So I have a lash business. It's called Prim Beauty. And I just want to take you guys on a journey on how my business will grow. Speaking that into 2022. And yeah. But yeah, this is just a day in the life of... There's the lighting. There we go. It's just a day in the life of being an entrepreneur, trying to achieve my goals, just my day-to-day. So you saw earlier that I was cooking. That's what I do in the morning. I make breakfast. I listen to affirmations, positivity in the morning. That's what I do. So I hope you guys like this vlog. Last year has been so rough for me. I don't even want to start, but last year has been so rough for me. My father passed away last year. I wasn't focused on the business because I was a caregiver to him. And, you know, I just want to make him proud this year. So this year I'm trying to focus on myself, focus on my goals, focus on my business. Last year my business was a little stagnant. The year prior, I was killing it. I was making sales consistently, daily, making thousands. And I mean, last year it was still the same, but I want it to grow. So I want you guys to follow me on this journey. So yeah, so today you're gonna see me do what I do, you know, on a regular day-to-day. I'm gonna pack a few orders. I'm gonna go to the post office. I'm gonna run a few errands and keep watching.
to hurt me last. Here it comes to me. Despite times, one day I just wanna hear you say I like you. What's up in here? What's up in here? What's up in here? What's up in here? Wish I could say that I am beside you on the bed. I like you, take out the I like you thinking about every bad mistake I made. I like you, take out the easy say I'm fine. Yeah, something that you did to hurt me last. Here it comes to me. Despite times, one day I just wanna hear you say I like you. What's up in here? What's up in here? What's up in here? What's up in here? I like you. Wish I could say that I am beside you on the bed. I like you, take out I like you thinking about every bad mistake I made. I like you, take out the easy say I'm fine. Yeah, something that you did to hurt me last. Here it comes to me. Despite times, one day I just wanna hear you say I like you. What's up in here? What's up in here? What's up in here? What's up in
So I'm about to drop off the package. I was doing everything all day and then I'll be right back. I just came back from the post office dropping the orders off. It's supposed to be a snowstorm and my battery's about to die. So I'm gonna pick up some groceries before the snowstorm. So yeah, snowstorm in New York. So you know how that goes. But anyway, stay tuned. Bye. So I just came back from grocery shopping. And I guess everyone was thinking the same thing I was thinking. To go to the freaking grocery store because the snowstorm is about to hit tomorrow in New York. So it was madness. So right now I'm about to unpack my groceries. And I just did all this grocery shopping and guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna order food. All this food to cook and I'm still gonna order food. Please comment below if any of y'all do this, but I don't feel like cooking today. I'll cook tomorrow in the snowstorm, okay? I'm not gonna cook today. I'm gonna order food and relax. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna cook some curry, some curry chicken. Yeah, I've been feeding for some curry chicken. If you're Caribbean, y'all know. Well, comment below. Who makes the best curry chicken? Is it the Caribbeans? Is it the Guyanese, the Indians, the Trinidadians, the Africans? Y'all comment below. Who makes the best curry? Me, I'm Guyanese, so I think we make the best curry. But anyway, yeah, so just watch me pack this And look, the mask messed up my tinted moisturizer. I have the Fenty moisturizer on and it's a little oily. Like, I don't know if I like it. And it turns a little red. But yeah. So watch me pack.
Lucy with my girl Drew, Cameron D and Destiny, with Charlie's Angels. Come on.
So I'm about to log off here. I hope you guys liked my first vlog. I'm so dry. But yeah, I hope you guys like my first vlog, and comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Many more videos is coming. I'm not slipping this time. I'm just about to go watch some Netflix and eat my dinner and just relax. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.